Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This Rotel dip is a blend of cheese, zesty tomatoes, chilies and ground beef, all melted to gooey perfection. This easy dip has just a handful of ingredients and can be made on the stove top or in the slow cooker. 4 August 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
4 to 5 days. Without meat, you can safely keep Velveeta and Rotel dip for 4 to 5 days in the refrigerator. However, Rotel dip with ground beef has a shorter storage life of 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. 17 May 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.